Hello everybody. Hopefully I don't get any phone calls or any interruptions. I feel so retarded sitting in this chair because Ronnie has this chair set up just for him, and I feel like I'm sliding in to share with you guys my favorites for the month. I don't know if everybody has a Menards, but here in West Virginia we have been having these huge stores open up called Menards. And Ronnie, my husband, by the way, if you're new to my channel, my husband is blind, so his other senses kick in and he enjoys what he enjoys. And the one thing that he loves is a good smelling hand soap or a good smelling soap. This is Rose scented soap. I'm going to show you guys what the bottle looks like. These are very inexpensive, and as you can see, it's a pretty nice sized bottle. Last time I was in there, I bought 5 of these. I love the rose smelling soap. Another rose. I gotta fix myself here. There we go. Hopefully that's better. Excuse that I'm so close to you guys. This is Blossom and Tea Rose. This is by looks like it's called Beloved. This is a body mist that I bought from Target. And I knew that Ronnie would really like the smell of it because it is rose. I have fallen in love with this so much that I'll probably buy the lotion next time that I go. It just smells so good. I just love it. It's a very nice mist for a mist and a smell for spring and summer. Hairspray, a giant must. I loaned my hairspray to my mother-in-law and never got it back. Anyways, I don't care. I just got me a new one. I like this Garnier Fructis style full control hairspray. This is a 24-hour hold. This also was purchased from Target because I don't use hairspray every day, but when I do, I just kind of lightly mist. And I don't want a hairspray that makes my hair hard, and this does not make my hair hard. This holds. It lasts, and it doesn't have a bad smell, so that is good too. This is another one that I have come across. This is the L'Oreal Dry Shampoo, and I'm going to show you guys the bottle. This works really, really, really good. I've only used this about 3 times, but every time I have had really good success with it. A Natasha Denona. Guys, I had no idea this was high-end makeup. I'm just going to tell you, my son bought this for me for Christmas, and I have used it almost every single day. I have a color in here that is my absolute favorite. Of course, I don't know what it's called. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys the palette. Right there. And I'll open it up so you guys can see a little bit better. I like a shimmery, and this one here has been my go-to, and the pigmentation of this is amazing. Just takes a dab of this, and I don't know if you guys can see that I have it on my eyelid. I did put a little bit on this to try to show you, on here, on me, to show you guys kind of what it looks like, but I will tell you one thing I have learned about eye makeup, and I will shut up about this palette, is that don't be afraid of the darker colors because they don't necessarily go on that heavy. You know what I'm saying? So you can dispersely use the darker colors and they're still very feminine and very pretty. I bought this. It's an accordion binder, but it's like a little briefcase. And I'm going to show you guys the inside. I'm not going to show you guys my bills, but I am going to show you guys. Let's see here. Can you guys see? There you go. Can you see that right there? I labeled the inside so that I could find, you know, and house all of my bills. It's been working out really, really good. My new labeler. Yes, my new labeler. You guys might have seen a labeler like this on Christopher Allen's videos. He was labeling things with one of these old-fashioned labelers. I didn't even know they still made these, and then when I went in there to get my filing box, my little briefcase thing, they had these on sale, and the tapes for these, you know, the labels, are actually pretty inexpensive. You do not have to put batteries in this thing, which is wonderful. You just choose which letter you want, and it lands on it, and then you squeeze this trigger down, and it puts the letter right into the label. Then I pull it out as far as I want, and I clip it off, peel the back off, and stick it onto whatever I need. And the black and the white, honestly, seem to be my favorite as far as the visual, because I'm able to see it really well and to organize and label things so that I am able to visually see these things. So just thought that I would share that with you guys, that I love that. That also came from Office Max, but I do know there are some like that. This is an Organizer Express, it says. So just letting you know the name brand on it. Okay, what else do I have? Ooh, I got a goodie. Okay, my friend Emma brought me some chips, and I did put this on my Instagram. No, I didn't put this on my Instagram, I don't think. I put this in one of my Veda videos. You guys seen me eating these. These are the Lay's lemon flavored. Guys, I thought this was going to be so nasty, but actually it is so good. I love them. So thank you so much for getting me addicted to something not good to me, Emma. But the lemon Lays are fantastic. If you guys have ever had like tortillas that have like the lemon or lime, a hint of lime, I think it is, I love those. I love them. So I thought maybe I will like these, and it turns out I did. I did. So get you some Lays with lemon. Very, very good. Different, but very good. Okay. You guys know we are walking around with masks on, and we all have funky breath that we are inhaling. And I don't know about you, but I get very dry mouth now that we have to wear our mask, you know, while we're wearing masks. They're about to lift our mask ordinance, I guess you call it, or mandate. I don't know what they call that, on June the 20th here in West Virginia. So we won't be required to wear masks, but you can if you like, if it makes you feel more comfortable. I think in large crowds, I'm still going to wear my mask, but in other circumstances, I more than likely will not. Because I know, I'm answering that question because I know you guys will ask. And every man for themselves. You have to do what's right for you and your family and what's best for you. And so that is what I decided to do for me. So I like gum. And this is the one that I have been steering towards, is the Orbit White. I really like it. This is the peppermint gum, and I just really like it because it keeps my mouth very moist. And I feel weird because, you know, when you move your mouth, your whole mask moves. So the whole time I'm in a store, my mask is going, because I'm chewing on this gum. But I feel like I get kind of so warm and so parched that I kind of get choked a little bit. I don't know if that makes any sense. But the Orbit White gum really makes a huge difference. So if you suffer from having like parchness or dryness in your mouth, get you some gum. Ronnie and I both have been using this and also chewing it at the gym. And I just love it. I just love it. Okay. If you are not from the States and you watch my videos, because there are several of you out there that do check my videos out that don't live in the United States, so thank you so much. But here in the States, we have a restaurant called Olive Garden, and when you go eat there, they bring you a giant salad with their specialty dressing, and it is amazing. It tastes so good, and they put all this fresh grated Parmesan cheese on the top of their salads, and that's kind of their signature thing, that and the breadsticks. Very good. But I've got this Olive Garden signature Italian dressing. I bought this from Aldi's, and I don't know if you guys can see how much we have already eaten out of this bottle, but Ronnie likes this on sandwiches, because I tried to remake the Italian sub from Subway, which is another American staple here, which is like big giant fancy sandwiches, like meatball sandwiches. The Italian sub has like Italian meats on it, so it's like pepperoni, salami, you know, lots of cheese, that kind of thing. And then he gets the Italian dressing. He loves this. In fact, I made him my version of an Italian sandwich this morning, well, this afternoon, and added this dressing on it, and he enjoys it so much. But I wanted to share it with you guys because I think you can order this online, but nothing beats a good salad dressing. Like, you know, it's not just for salad, guys, not just for salad. Okay, I have one more. Actually, I have two more items. My other one is over there, so you're going to have to give me 1 second to run over there. But you guys know that I bought a, here it is, an O Cedar mop. What it is one of those where you have the pad and you can use your own solution inside, and it has a trigger. I know you guys have seen it. I think I got it around Christmas time. I ordered it on Amazon. It has been amazing. Like, it really does work. If you guys watch my vlogs, you've seen Ronnie mopping with it downstairs. He loves it. One thing I wanted to bring up with you guys is that, okay, it has this, and it goes over the bottom of it, right? So one side Velcros, and then the bottom of it just slips inside, right? And then this is your mop, and then this goes this way, and you mop with it, and it has a trigger, and it disperses out your liquid, right, onto the floor, whatever you choose. You could just do water, or you could do vinegar and water, whatever you like. I've been using the Mr. Clean floor cleaner. That's what I've been using. But anyways, I just wanted to point out that I have never in my life had a mop cover to get this clean. Can you see this? I just washed this yesterday. No fancy detergents, no bleach. Just clean. It is fantastic because a lot of times these things look dirty even though you've washed them. This thing was black. It was black. And I just was so impressed. I had to share it with you guys because I just love things that come clean. But anyways, it did. It came clean, and I got to put it back on my mop because Ronnie will be dying to run that mop very, very soon. Give me 2 seconds. I'm going to run right over here and grab something. Okay, guys. If you guys watched my video where I went and I purchased things for Mother's Day, then you guys seen what I purchased. Anyways, this is the Dr. Teals Body Lotion Sleep Lotion, and it says it has melatonin and essential oils. Guys, I was skeptical about this. I really thought this is going to be overpowering scent. I'm not going to like it, but every night I take a hot bath and I come in here and I lotion all over with this. This stuff is amazing. My skin is so soft when I wake up the next day, and I have just noticed, I'm sorry, but I don't talk about too many products unless I am really enthused about something, and this to me is amazing. For one thing, the scent is very light. It is a very calming scent, believe it or not. Now, whether or not this is helping me sleep or not, I don't know, but it is almost kind of like that little extra pampering segment for yourself at night before you go to bed. Love this product. Highly suggest it. I have looked for another bottle of this because I actually want to get one for my mom because this is just too good not to have. It is too good not to have. So I'm going to buy a couple more. I'm going to get her one and me another one because I love it that much. But anyways, that is all I have to share today. I hope you guys have a fantastic, what is today? Wednesday. Hope you guys have a fantastic Wednesday. I am headed to the gym. I am going to grab my gum and my water and my mask and my towel. And I got to get my husband's swim clothes laid out for him still yet this morning. And we are going to be headed out on the bus to go to the gym. I enjoy that pool oh so much with him. I so enjoy the pool. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. And I will be talking to you all again soon. Remember, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below if you guys have found any new products that you have been using and loving. I love to hear about them because, you know, like I said, I love these videos, so I don't waste my money, because I feel like if somebody can say, hey, this is working for me, then it might work for me too. So I think that's awesome. So anyways, you all have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll be talking to you all again soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.